This is how to use Google's Keyword Planner for Google Ads. Google Keyword Planner is a free tool that is provided by Google to find out the search volumes and other things. If you can't afford research tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs, you can go with Google's Keyword Planner, because basically those tools that like SEMrush and Ahrefs or other keyword planners, they are gathering data from Google's, and the same data that you show on Google Keyword Planner is also go to the Ahrefs or SEMrush and work exactly like that. But the thing is, those tools are organized, but this is not. But no worries, it is free. So let me show you how you can use those keyword planners. First, what we have to do is go to ads.google.com, come to your accounts, you have comes right here, and here, where did you find this keyword planner? You will go to tools, under tools you will see planning, and you come for Google keywords planner. Here you will see three options. Don't worry, I will go through all this. Okay, so first, it is for discovering new keywords. It is like you have a bunch of seed keywords. You are having a cleaning business, or maybe you are a trucking business, or maybe you have a roofing business. So what is that? Just from here you have to select the territory, the country that you are targeting. If you are in Canada, you can use that. You can also add USA, United States of America. For that you can also target those as well. Okay, assume that we are for area like Canada and United States. For the search term, it is cleaning. Okay, or you have like roof. Another one, you want what's the search volume of roofing. Okay, so you click on get result. It will show you what are the search based on your search terms. As you can see, like the seed keywords of us, and with keywords you can see also the similar keywords. That is like I have added cleaning and roofing. It is also adding roofing near me, what people are searching, roofers me, cleaning service near me, carpet cleaning service, roof near me, kind of like that. Okay, so whatever, if you want to go only for cleaning, you understand the thing. Okay, it is like it will show you all cleaning keywords and their potential search volumes. Okay, so here what you can do is like you pick all of these. You can download keywords as CSV or export those on Google Sheet. Like let's just name it like cleaning Canada and USA. Okay, so you download it, it will go directly to your Google Sheet. It will export directly to your Google Sheet. Okay, at the same time, okay, I'm opening this one to show you like how it comes in. Like as you can see, this is the keywords. Okay, and at the same time, here is the average monthly search volumes. And these are like how things in which months or which months not, that are changing the search volumes, kind of like that. How is the competitor, in index values, top 3 pages, how much they are bidding, like they're about $3, $5, $1. Okay, to top page bid, something like that. Okay, so you can do as well, you can just directly add those into your ad accounts ads. Okay, like it is as negative keywords. Okay, as negative keywords, or also you can add like you can save those keyword, or you can just go to your add to your campaigns ad. Like you can create a campaign right here and add it to those campaigns. Okay, so each of everything you can do that. So like this is how one of this happens, one of these features happening. So if we go back to keyword planners, okay, you can also do is like you already website. Okay, like take example, this is a cleaning website. Okay, so I do is like you paste website link here, and you can use that. Like you want to choose entire website to pick keywords on, or you that a particular page Okay, so you can, if you want entire website, then you can choose this one, or you can choose the particular from here. So let's assume I have choose the whole website, and based on that, it will research and find exact perfect keywords for me. As you can see right now here, as you can see that it uh, find out the keywords that is perfect for this, because it's a cleaning website window or gutter cleaning websites like that, and you can just directly add this to your accounts or the campaign that you are running. Okay, so this is how it's working. Okay, now you want that if you want the search volumes and the forecasts, so for that, like I have a bunch of keywords right here, or maybe I have a keywords list right here. What happened if I paste those, like if I get started, it will okay, some error. Let me just add those keywords from here. Yeah, it will start showing you the results right here. Okay, so if you have a bunch of keywords and you don't know that if those keywords have search volume or not, then you can use this forecast kind of thing, so that it will save those keywords and give you a day by day forecast, like yeah, you should bid more because people are searching more on this, kind of like that. Okay, so let's go to the option that is organize keywords into groups. Here you can do everything, like as we first if we first do, like seed keywords here. You can see the whole keywords kind of thing. If you give a website, you can auto generate keywords, and if you paste your keywords, it will auto generate keywords here, and from here you can see your keywords right here. But I don't want to do that for now, but this is how the keyword planner works. Also you can search Google Trends for Google keyword research as well, because this is also a website to understand your keywords very well. Like if you want Canada, okay, so you can see the search volumes that are shifting right now. Okay, or if you come for roofing, okay, you can see the web searches, maybe days past 7 days, okay, or less days, how it's going right now. Okay, and you can see the search terms, and like people are mostly these keywords, yeah, related queries, where what's searching beside those keywords. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can research the whole thing, but I recommend using keyword research tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs, because those give you more precise data, and at the same time those are more organized. I want to show you how organized those are, and I literally do all keyword researches from here. Okay, the thing is this you find elsewhere, like so many search volumes, but actual search volumes shows are the trends, like which is more likely higher, more likely lower, it is kind of thing. Also you can go with questions, like if you're questioning for some keywords, you can also get as well. Also if you want to go for cleaning questions that you covered, which you will take your visitors, so a funneling kind of thing, everything is much better in tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs kind of thing. So whatever you use, I have shown you how you can use Google's keyword planner. If you are interested in scaling up your Google ads, or you are planning to run your Google ads, you can just book a meeting with me. I have spent more than $300,000 on ads, and minimum return on ad spend was 2x ROAS, which is I have the highest return on ad spend I have get. It is like 10 to 12x ROAS, which is like the 10x money. Like if you put $1 with me, I have make it $10 for you with Google Ads actually. So if you are planning to scale up your Google Ads, or start running your Google Ads, or if you're looking for someone who can help with your Google Ads, you can definitely book a meeting with me from the link in the description or the comment, wherever it is. Just go and book a meeting. We can talk about business and how we can grow your business and to the next level.